Eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank. With some smart planning, you can nourish your body without spending a fortune. The first step to achieving this is by making a grocery list based on your meal plans for the week. This list keeps you focused on purchasing only what you need, minimizing impulse buys that can lead to overspending. Incorporate seasonal fruits and vegetables, which are generally less expensive and fresher. A colorful assortment of fruits and veggies not only adds nutrients, but also makes your meals visually appealing. Another vital aspect of healthy eating on a budget is cooking at home. Home-cooked meals allow you to control the ingredients, catering to your health needs while saving money. Batch cooking can be particularly beneficial. Prepare large portions that can be frozen for future meals. This strategy saves time and ensures you are less tempted to indulge in expensive takeout. Explore recipes that incorporate whole grains, legumes, and seasonal produce to create filling meals that are kind to your wallet. In addition to focusing on cooking at home, consider shopping at local farmers markets or discount grocery stores. These venues often provide fresh produce at a fraction of the price of conventional supermarkets. Additionally, purchasing in bulk can lead to significant savings, especially for staples like rice, beans, and grains. Keeping an eye out for weekly sales and using coupons can further stretch your dollar. Planning meals around sales can enhance your budget and ensure your pantry is stocked with healthy options. Another tip is to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet. Meat can often be one of the most expensive items on your grocery list, so replacing meat with beans, lentils, or tofu on a few nights each week can save money while still providing ample protein. Be creative with your meals and try to include a variety of protein sources. Moreover, when you do purchase meat, consider choosing cheaper cuts, which can be just as flavorful when cooked properly. Finally, don't forget about snacks. Opt for healthy snacking options, such as cut-up vegetables, fruits, or homemade energy bars. These choices can be more economical than pre-packaged snacks and have less added sugar and unhealthy fats. With some planning, creativity, and smart shopping choices, eating healthy while managing your budget is entirely achievable. Remember, healthy eating isn't just about what you eat, it's also about how you plan and prepare.